1. Use an app for bundles installation if you can't install APK. Not all APKs come in a way accessible to Android package installer. APK bundles or split APKs are APKs that contain multiple merged APKs in one. Many apps come in bundles, and, for them, you'll need an installer, like Split APKs Installer, which you can find on Play Store. Also, APK aggregators like APK Mirror have installers that can be downloaded on the website. APK Mirror Installer is also available on Play Store. Some of them are a no-go and we don't recommend installing them unless you are sure about their source. 3. Make sure that you have enough storage space. Besides many other things that can cause this error, lack of storage space is probably not at the top of the list. But, it's still a probability. So, make sure that you have enough storage space. 4. Enable the installation from unknown sources. Now, let's move to APK issues. APK installation shouldn't cause any problems. It might be dangerous since some apps from third-party sources can get you in trouble, but we're sure that most of them are as trustworthy as the ones on Play Store. However, you'll need to allow third-party installation files. 5. Make sure that the APK file isn't corrupted or incomplete. As we already mentioned in this article about installation from unknown sources, roaming around and looking for an APK can sometimes get you in trouble. Many websites offer modded apps that are not safe. Also, they are often corrupted and won't run, or, if they happen to run, they are unstable. Meddling with the code will get you there.